I realized I didn't put anything about the dashboard in my article, so rather than write something in and insert it, I'm just going to add a little link here to show you what the dashboard looks like on ambient weather. This is the dashboard itself. There is a map at the top of this that shows your location. As you can see, there is the current temperature, wind speed with the gusts, your total rainfall, the air pressure, the humidity, the UV index, the solar radiation index, the particulate matter at the present time, and also then here one more line down here, which has your internal air, or I'm sorry, your inside temperature and dew point, and also your moisture content from the soil moisture sensor out there. Your forecasted temperatures, and of course here is your sun and moon index. All right. Down here, sorry about that, is a quick look at all the readings, which you can expand. Let's see here. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Now that's one thing I wish the ambient weather would do, is that you could post that to social media like Facebook, but at this present time I can't figure out how to do it. So I thought I would give you this little, let me close that, this little video here to show you what the dashboard looks like. And like I said, there's the map. I won't show all of it, but there's the map. Okay. And that's about it. Okay. Make sure you join this network when you buy the Ambient Weather 5000.